Hello there and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Camilla, and on this channel you will find, well, just about a bit of everything. And today I wanted to show you a vlog of me redoing my terrace. I'm not quite sure that's the name in English, but it's called Terrace in Danish. And it's an outside area in between buildings, and it looks like crap all winter because honestly I can't be bothered to do anything about it. But I did do something about it, and actually Clara, my daughter, helped me in some of the steps because this has been kind of a long way coming. Because in Denmark we do get a lot of rain in the spring and early summertime, so obviously I haven't been able to film on those days, the rainy days. So I did manage to sort of wrap things up. I do have a little disclaimer, I would like to do more out there, but this is how far I got this time around, but maybe I'll do another video of that later, who knows. As always, if you enjoyed this video, I would really love it if you would leave a like, and if you want to join the festivities on my channel, you might even consider subscribing. Well, without further ado, let's get the terrace done. Alright guys, as you can see, this looks pretty miserable. This really needs a makeover. I'm gonna try to film it over here. This is how it looks. Not exactly the kind of place where you feel like you can have a cup of coffee and enjoy the view. But we're gonna do something about that, and hopefully it will end up looking really nice, really summery, and with lots of flowers and so forth. So yeah, let's get going. So as you can tell, it's a pretty sorry sight on our terrace. So what we need to do first actually is get it sort of cleaned up, you know, get the weed out and stuff like that, and maybe sweep to get all the debris that has fallen off the roofs away from the ground. And actually Clara, she helped me do this. So let's take a look at me and Clara cleaning up the terrace. Now that the terrace is clean, we can actually concentrate on getting some flowers, plants for the terrace, for the different pots we have out there. And so we went to this store called Plantorama, which is just basically a huge store with everything you need for gardening, plants, tools, furniture, and so forth. And so we went there, the whole family. So let's take a look at all of us taking a ride to Plantorama and picking out some plants. Alright, now we have arrived at a big, huge store called Plantorama. And we are going into... Hi, Clara. And we are going into... What is going on with my... We're going in to find some plants for the... Why does it look like that? Ah. And we're going in to find some plants for...
By the way, this phone is broken.
This phone is very broken, and we just been through hell finding me a new one. So I'm officially a Samsung owner. So I guess we'll go inside and I'll get some shots from inside because it's a really amazing store. So see you guys inside. So now that we have the plants, we need to get them into some bigger pots with some more dirt. And Clara actually helped me do this. So let's take a look at Clara and I doing the plants outside on the terrace. Well, hello again. Now we've been out buying flowers in Plantorama, and then we bought these tall ones, and I have no idea what they're called. It's hi Gilbert. it says more lips. So those are the ones we've got, and now we're gonna take some pots to put them in, and some dirt, obviously. And Gilbert, as usual, wants to join us in the fun. We'll start out with this one. So what we need to do is that we need to get some water. Jeg tror faktisk godt, man kan se mig her.
Det var det.
Alright, so what we want to do is we want to firstly get the plant down there, and then we want to add a lot of water. Maybe you could put some water into the hole.
Sure, how much?
It's right there. Just
Stop.
okay. And I'll get this out of the.
Hello?
Yeah. Just keep going. And I'll put the plant down, and then we need to get. Oh, all right. I actually do think we need some more dirt. We've got some dirt right here. So we're just gonna fill out the edges with some more dirt. Okay, and now you will pour some more water into this so that the dirt can set.
Just on the sides?
Yeah. That'll probably do. That's our first one. And I'll just put this right over here. Then we have another pot. But there's a lot of old dirt in it. Alright, so over here I had a rose, but because I may not be the best at keeping up with my plants, it did look sort of sad, so I pulled it up because it was basically dead. So what I wanted to do was take the other one of the large yellow trees and put down here. So I also wanted to do something about the empty pots hanging on the fence, and so my lovely husband actually got me some more flowers from the local supermarket in All right, that was it. I'm gonna leave the terrace as is for now. As I mentioned, I would like to do some more things to it, but that will just have to wait. Maybe, as I mentioned in the intro, I'll do another video of that. Anyways, I hope you have enjoyed following along in this video. If you did, maybe consider leaving a like, and if you like my content in general, you might even consider subscribing. Well, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye!